When I add fractions, I start by adding my whole numbers. If you want to go ahead and do the Texas method to turn both of these into improper fractions and then add them that way, you can, but I'm going to do it this way. I have 1 plus 4, which gives me 5. Now I'll do my 3/5 and my 3/8. So I have 3/5 plus 3/8 still. Now we know when we add fractions, they have to have the same denominator. So we need to list out our 5s and our 8s. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. I'm stopping right here because I have a 40 here and I have a 40 here. To go from 5 to 40, we multiply by 8. So I'll also multiply my 3 times 8. And that would give me a whole number of 5, and then 3 times 8, which is 24, and then 5 times 8, which is 40. Plus, we go from 8 to 40, and we have to do that by multiplying by 5. So to this 8 right here, I do times 5, and so to the 3, I would do times 5. 3 times 5 is 15, and then 8 times 5 gives me 40. We keep our big 5, and then we add our numerators. 24 plus 15 gives me 39. So that gives me 39 over 40. If we multiply or divide, we have to make sure that we have that we do the Texas method first. So I go around the world and I land in Texas. I do 2 times 4 first, which gives me 8, and then 8 plus 1, which gives me 9. So I have 9, and then I keep my denominator the same. So my denominator will be that 2 right there. Divided by, we'll do the Texas method for this as well. We do 3 times 9, which gives us 27, and then 27 plus 2, which gives us 29. And then our denominator stays the same, so it stays that 3 right there. When we divide fractions, we have to keep, change, and then flip. So we would have 9 over 2, change that to multiplication, and then 3 over 29. We simplify before we multiply. 9 and 2 cannot be simplified. 3 and 29 cannot be simplified. 2 and 3 cannot be simplified. And 9 and 29 cannot be simplified. So now we just do tops times tops and bottoms times bottoms. 9 times 3 gives us 27. And then 29 times 2 gives us 58. When we divide or multiply mixed fractions, we cannot have mixed fractions when we divide or multiply, so we have to do the Texas method. So we go around in the world and we land in Texas. We start by doing 10 times 6, which gives us 60. And then we have 60 plus 3, which gives us 63. And we keep our denominator the same, so our denominator is 10. Same thing with this one. We would start with 5 times 2, which gives us 10, and then 10 plus 1, which gives us 11. And we would have 11 over 5. We would check to see if we can simplify before we multiply, and we cannot. So we'll start with 63 times 11 for tops times tops and bottoms times bottoms. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 6 is 6. I'm on my next row now, so I add a 0. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 6 is 6. Add it all together, and that gives us 693. And then we have 10 times 5, which gives us 50. We can't have a mixed number, so we'll do 693 divided by 50. 50 does not go into 6, but it does go into 69 once. 1 times 50 is 50, subtracting that gives me 19. Drop down my 3. 5 would go into 19 3 times, and then 3 times 50 would give me 150. Subtract, and that would give me 43. There's no more numbers, so I'm done. My whole number is going to be 13. My numerator is going to be 43, and my denominator is going to be 50.